Welcome you all to the second online session of 12th English syllabus, and we are to the second session of an astrologer's day. I hope all of you have viewed the first video, and now we are going to see today the theme of this astrologer's day. What is this there in the lesson? As I told you earlier, the title astrologer, this is creating, the word is creating suspense. It is a thriller and we want to enjoy the thrill and the suspense in the lesson. I am highlighting some points, the rest of them you read in your text. So what is the theme? In short, there is the theme of fear, Viti. Second, freedom. Third, appearance. Desperation means nervousness, and guilt means some crime you have committed, aparadha. So these are the things around which the story revolves. Now, the main characters in this story are two. One is the astrologer himself, and the second is Guru Nayak. Now, Guru Nayak and the astrologer, these two, in the early part of their lives, they are friends. I may say, in their youth, they are friends. But something happened. As you people quarrel, there was a quarrel between the two. The quarrel came to blows, and then astrologer, he stabbed Guru Nayak. Not only he stabbed him, but he threw him in a well. And then he was afraid. He ran away. When he came home, he thought of what had happened. All that had happened unconsciously, or I may say he was not aware of the circumstances of it. But now he was thinking, what will happen if I remain in the village? People will come to know. Then it will be against the law and I will be in prison. We know well what will be the final end is. He will be in prison. So he decided and he ran away from the home in the wee hours of the night. Now he ran away and he came to a city. Now man has to do something. He wants his bread. So he decided to lead the life as an astrologer. Now see what is the condition. He wants to earn money as an astrologer. Now I told you what is the meaning of astrologer. Astrologer must have the knowledge of stars. What about the knowledge of this astrologer? He had no knowledge of stars. And he was going to predict lives of people. So how did he look? If you see, there is a picture is given, and if you see the picture, then you can see how he appears or how he looks. There is that turban, feta over his head, then his whiskers drooping down, then he has ash on his forehead, vibhuti lauli kapalala, and there is that sindoor, gulal or sindoor, that vermilion mark on his forehead. And in his eyes, he is always searching for a customer. So there is that intent gaze. And what do people think? People think, oh, he is an astrologer, so his eyes are, that's why the eyes are like that. So in short, his appearance was attractive as an astrologer. Now, he had no knowledge. Then how did he succeed? It was with the help of some tactics. Now see, tact, this word we know. Tact म्हणजे वागण्याची पद्धत means he has something with him. he didn't have knowledge. But that is not clear at any time, and people assume that he is a person of great knowledge. Now, what are these tasks? The first thing is he had a very clear analysis of human psychology. How human mind works, he could analyze it. Analyze, ठरवू शकतो, पृथक्करण करू शकतो. A very good analysis of human psychology. First thing. Second, we know well that though some children are not very clever, but they study and they achieve their goal. So he started some study. He studied maybe something related to his occupation and maybe study of human minds, the study of people. The third is practice makes man perfect, and so this practice also helped him to establish well as astrologer, and the of course experience counts. So all these things they made the astrologers. One more point is there. Let me see. It's given that is there was some guesswork. Shrewd guesswork. Guesswork means he could guess how to deal with people. So all these made him a successful astrologer. So this is about the beginning point. Now let us go to the fourth point. That is, what place is chosen, what place is preferred by the astrologer for his occupation. He is in a city and the town hall park, this is the place which is favored by him. Now how is this place? This town hall park, it has some exceptional qualities, and these exceptional qualities, the first thing is there is a surging cow. Now have a look at this word surging. Surge, उत्संबळणारी, a lot of गर्दी. So it is a very crowded place. The second thing is there are people doing various occupations, we can say trades and occupations. For example, there may be a fruit seller, a vegetable seller, even a magician would be there, flower sellers, a person who is selling groundnuts, or even an ice cream wala. If you read the lesson, you will see that ice cream seller is selling same ice cream every day by 3 different names. So you read and enjoy. So this is the second thing. Now the third thing is lights. Here, just a minute. Here there are no municipal lights. Means municipality did not provide lights there. So whatever lights were there, they were the lights of the shops. Plus there were gas lights. These gas lights are not available nowadays, but earlier there would be this much size gas lights. You have to fill in the gas and then batti they were called. So these are gas lights, and because of this, that is shop lights, there were shop lights and gas lights. Because of these two, what happened? There was a crisscross pattern. Now this crisscross pattern of lights plus shadows. Now all these provide a mystical background to the story, and they also see crisscross, you understand, light and shadows, ऊन सावलीचा खेळ किंवा प्रकाश आणि सावल्या. So this provides proper suspense to the story. So this is about the place where the astrologer would come and sit. Most of his work was done at night. Now at night, why? We know well, others should not recognize him, he should not be caught. So most of the work he was doing at night. One more thing, that people have time to visit astrologer, especially during evening. So now the story goes further, where we see this darkness. We are from light, we are going to darkness, and this darkness has a symbolical significance. What is dark? You see that the outside is dark, means the street is dark. As I told you, especially he works at night, so the street is dark. Second, the mind of the astrologer. See, the mind of the astrologer, it is also full of darkness. Why? Because there is the sense of guilt. He has committed a mistake and he is afraid the man is dead. The police will come, or somebody will identify me, catch me and put me in prison. So this darkness, it is smoothly carried on in the story very well, creating that suspense theme. Now the people who are coming to the astrologer, these people are mostly ordinary people. They are not rich people. Now on this busy street, the people are coming from the villages, and these ordinary people, they are paying very little. But whatever they are paying, the life of astrologer goes on. This is what we see in the lockdown also, that the people who are most affected are the people who are getting very little, earning very little. Now these people are paying some 10 paise, 25 paise, 50 paise. Annas were there long ago, 4 ane, 8 ane, like that. But out of this small income, the astrologer who visited the city, lived in the city, married a woman, and he had children. So he had to give food to his family. So the complete family depended upon these ordinary people who paid a little to the astrologer. And life went on. One day, it was evening. The astrologer had started his work almost at midday, and he reached home, we see in the end, at midnight. So let us see this midday to midnight routine. What is it? The astrologer was sitting on the street. The last person on the street, that is the groundnut seller, he also went away. Now there was no light. So the astrologer was about to go home. At that time, a customer came to him. The customer saw him and threw some annas at him and said, "Will you tell me?" He said, "Yes, come. I think you are very upset. Sit down." He said, No, I don't have time. You don't speak any rubbish. Tell me whether I will succeed in my search or not. He said, "I'll tell you, but you just sit here." The man sat. He said, "Okay." And then he lit the cigar. Now this, we don't know whether the astrologer saw that person clearly when cigar was lit, or whether he identified him by his voice. This is a mystery in the lesson. He lit the cigar, he sat there, and the astrologer spoke to him. It was the way of the astrologer that for nearly 10 minutes he never spoke anything. He only heard what people said, and out of that he predicted something, and he provided solution to the ordinary people. So the ordinary people were happy, as he could analyze their problem very well and provide the solution. Now to Guru Nanak also, Now this person who is visiting, who is lighting the cigar, he is Guru Nayak. So to Guru Nayak also he suggested the same. Guru Nayak spoke a little, and very soon astrologer said, I know what happened in your case. You are searching for someone? Yes. You were stabbed by someone when you were young? Yes. You were thrown in the well when you were young? Yes. And now it was the turn of Guru Nayak to answer. He was so surprised. He was dumbfounded. How do you come to know? And then he said, yes, I was lucky that someone came and took me out of the well, otherwise I would have died. Now I am searching for that person who stabbed me, and my revenge will be completed only when I will catch him and stab him. Now silently, now in between bargaining of money also goes on. Astrologer demands more money. Guru Nayak is not ready to give. He gives somewhat less. You read it in the lesson. We are to the last part of the story now. The astrologer says, you can never find that man. Why? Because he died. What? Yes. He dashed a lorry and he died on spot. So, now the astrologer advises him. See, now as this person, Guru Nayak, he was very much impressed because of the truth the astrologer told. He started believing in all he was saying. And so he says, what should I do now? He says, go back to the village. You are 2 miles away from your village. You go as early as possible and never leave your village. Live in the same village. Don't come to the city. Don't go anywhere. If you come in this direction, there is possibility that you will again be in danger. Your life will be at risk. The man obeyed. He gave 8 annas and he went. The astrologer gathered all his things. What things were there? This is also a question here. And went home. His wife was waiting for him. He gave money to her. And she was very happy as money was more than needed. So she says, our daughter will be very happy. I will make laddu of jaggery and something further the next day. So here the story ends. Now in this lesson there are some important things which we should discuss. So I will throw light on it in our third online session. Thank you.